Uy, mga creators on the go, meet the all-new ADATA na SC750. Your new pocket-sized powerhouse of portable storage. Ang meron ko dito is a 1 terabyte worth of storage. Pwede siya pang PS5 and pang Xbox pa. Tara, unbox natin. So yan, nakita nyo, that's USB 3.2 Gen 2 na Magic, and nakita nyo ang bilis ng kanyang transfer speed. Up to 1,050 Mbps ang kanyang read speed, and up to 1,000 Mbps ang kanyang write speed. So importing, exporting, editing, it's really lightning fast. No more twiddling thumbs waiting for big file transfers. Bye-bye sa mga loading lags. Slide, plug, and play. Sobrang easy, di ba? No more cables needed. Lightweight at just 11 grams, it fits inside any pocket, any laptop, and any smartphone. Kahit iPhone pa yan. Basta iPhone 14 and above. Perfect ito for on-the-go na creators, travelers, and even gamers. Shooting in Apple ProRes, SC750 got your back. Pwede ka mag-record up to 4K directly dito sa thumb drive na ito. No more space crunching on your iPhone. Kahit 128 gig pa yung iPhone mo, basta meron ka nito, no problem. Hindi lang to pang pro. Gumagana to sa mga consoles like Steam Deck, Xbox, PS5, Windows, macOS, Linux, and even Android. This is your console-friendly backup hero. Marami kang variant na pwede pagpilian. 512 gigs, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabyte. All in this small, tiny little metal body. USB 3.2 Gen 2, so wala kang problema. Plus a 3 years warranty for peace of mind. Whether you're filming a vlog, editing on your phone, or needing extra game space, itong ADATA SC750 is built to keep your creativity on the go. Subscribe for more gadgets like this one, and drop a comment kung ano nagustuhan nyo dito sa ADATA SC750. Just simply click the yellow basket kung gusto nyo nang bumili. I'll see you around.